Dear,
Uncle, you?
I have been calling you since so many days. Why weren't you answering my calls?
Actually, Uncle, I was busy.
It's fine that you are busy, but where did you go after vacating the house suddenly? It's been more than 2 months. I have been calling you, but you aren't answering my calls. Look, if you don't want to pay for my milk, then let me know also. It's just a month's payment. I'll forget it.
No, Uncle, there is nothing like that.
It's not like that. Then what is it? Tell me.
Okay, Uncle, you do one thing. Come with me at my home. You can see my home and I will explain you everything.
Okay, let's go.
Six months ago, I lost my husband. You knew that how much money I spent on his treatment. I took so much money on loan. When he passed away, so everybody came to me asking their money. In fact, the home in which I was living, 2 months rent was due. So landlord told me that vacate the home or pay me the rent. I can't keep you like that. You have lost your husband, so what? I won't be able to keep you for free. That's why I left that home and came here to this cheap home and started living here. Uncle, I was not picking your call because I had no money. I thought that whenever I will get the money, I will call you and I will return all your money. I have that much money. I can manage my expense or I can pay back others' money. I am only left with 1000 or 2000 rupees. What can I do in that? What I cannot do? What can I spend? What can I keep for myself? You. Don't worry. I will return all your money. Just give me some time, Uncle.
What are you saying, dear? I have called you my daughter. And I have not only called you, but also accepted it. I'm not worried that you won't give me my remaining money. In fact, I was worried that this has never happened before. That I called you and you didn't answer the phone. I just wanted to know that if you are okay or not. Dear, as far as this problem is concerned, you and your husband have helped us many times. You got her 10 different types of sarees at my daughter's wedding. She was so happy that day. I don't know how many times Sir helped us. I don't know how many times he gave us advance money. He used to give us as much money as I used to tell him. So, please don't say that.
Uncle, that time our time was good. But now there is nothing like that.
Look, dear, whatever happened with you, that cannot change. Now you have to be strong and take care of your children and yourself.
I'm trying, Uncle, that I can manage everything properly. I can give good life to kids. I can pay back people's money. But I don't know how everything will happen.
Everything will happen, dear, and you will have to do it. Okay, you tell me, where are you getting the milk from?
I'm not buying, Uncle.
Eh? You mean the children are not getting milk?
Uncle, I told you na about my condition. I'm not able to manage everything.
Hey, why are you not able to manage? You tell me. I'll give you 2 liters of milk from tomorrow.
No, Uncle, please don't do this. I don't have any money right now to give you.
Dear, who is asking for money? You people helped us so many times. Now, if you are in trouble, so isn't it my duty to help you?
No, Uncle, I won't be able to take like that. Whenever I will have money, I will call you only, but not right now.
And until you don't have money, the children will live without milk, dear. Look, dear, I have called you my daughter. Your children are also like my grandchildren. And I'm not doing this for you. I am doing this for the children.
Uncle, you please try to understand. I will not like this.
Look, dear, when you people got my daughter 10 types of sarees and I refused you, what did you say then? You said that I'm not doing this for you, I'm doing this for your daughter, and you are quiet. So that's it. So you be quiet today. I'm not doing this for you, I'm doing this for the children. Hey, you don't cry, dear. Don't consider yourself alone. I'm with you. And if you need anything, then you call me. I'll come to you immediately. You don't worry.
Thank you. Thank you, Uncle.
Okay, I'm leaving now, and from tomorrow I'll give you 2 liters of milk like before.
Yes, Uncle.
I'll come from tomorrow.